पनि कहिले नि लेखेन कि तिमीले मैले पढेको देखेर
Namaskar, good evening. I'm the host of this program, Gajendra Thapa Magar, and I'm really happy to welcome you all in our weekly podcast show, Emmanuel Talk Time Season 2. And this program is brought to you by Emmanuel DB Academy. Thank you very much for liking and supporting our previous videos. Please keep supporting us. We really appreciate your support. We are so glad to have audience like you. We really appreciate that. So, as usual, we have some guests from our basic level. So, without any further delay, I would like to welcome them in our show. Welcome, my dear students.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's begin this program with your introduction. Okay, so from you, my dear boy.
Namaste, my name is Shubhana Jaggi. I read in class 6. I am from Govinda.
Thank you very much for your short and sweet introduction. What about you, my dear?
Namaste, my name is Sarthana Magar. I am from Gopkar.
Thank you, my dear. What is short and sweet introduction? What about you, my dear boy?
Namaste, my name is Naveen Joshi. I am from Mangalpur. I read in class 7. Thank you.
Wow, such a lovely introduction. What about you, my dear?
Namaste, my name is Rupa Saud. I am from Gaurigaon, Mangalpur, Kailale. I read in 6th class.
Thank you very much to all of you for your short and sweet introduction. So, before beginning this program, I would like to ask, how are you feeling, you guys? How are you feeling today?
Nice. We feel so wonderful.
Wow, I'm also feeling so wonderful to have you guys here. So, today, our podcast show is very special because today we are not interviewing you guys. Today we are just exchanging our cultural program, right? Last Friday we have the Hori competition in our school, so we want to have that competition over here also. So we have today boys team and girls team, right? So today's our day's title is that a brother has just arrived from abroad to her little sister's home, right? So our Dohori begins from there. So who wants to go first? Boys, okay. So team boys wants to go first. So let's start, my dear.
तिम्रो दाजै खेलको लबर हाम्रो ठिकै छ तिम्रो घुम्न जाउँदा काठमाडौँ सहर मेरो पनि ठिकै छ खबर नभन्नु बहिनीले फसाई कस्तो भयो सहरको बसाई जति काम गरे पनि पाइदिन जस मैले मलाई भनेको चाहिन्छ काम गरेको जस पाइन्छ बेलुका रातभरि खट्टा छु तिमीलाई पढाउने सपना बोकेका छु पढाइमा कमजोर भइरहेछौ डाक्टर बन्ने सपना बोकिरहेछौ पनि कहिले नि लेखेन कि तिमीले मैले पढेको देखेर आइपुगे म विदेशको रेलैमा हार नमान्नु त्यो जीवनको खेलैमा आयो दाजु विदेशको रेलैमा हार मान्दिन जीवनको खेलैमा आजदेखि इमानदार हुनु है भविष्यमा आकाशलाई छुनु है हामी जहिले अगाडि पुग्नेछौ चिन्ता नगर्नु आकाशलाई छुनेछौ भोक लाग्यो मलाई देऊ न एक थाल भात मेरोबाट छ तिमीलाई आशीर्वाद मेरो कुरा सबैलाई अन्य छ आशीर्वाद दिएकोमा मेरो हृदयलाई धन्य छ
Well, that was so wonderful. I really enjoyed that. So I hope you guys also enjoyed it so much like me. So with this, we are at the end of our session. So, before ending our session, I would like to ask, how are you feeling to be a part of this program, my dear Bhumi?
So nice and wonderful.
Nice. How about you, my dear?
Nice.
Nice. So, what about you, my dear?
Nice and wonderful.
Okay, thank you very much. What about you, my dear?
Nice.
Nice. Okay, thank you very much, you guys too. It was so much wonderful to have you guys here, right? So with this, I would like to end today's program. See you on the next week, next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Good night, everyone.